friends, and welcome to the Early Bird Show. Today is Thursday, May 5th, 2022.
Please stand for the pledge to the flags.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to the Texas, one state under God, one and indivisible.
Please join us for a moment of silence.
Thank you, and please have a seat.
Now for your day's weather. Today in Carrollton, it will be cloudy with a high of 86 degrees and a low of 69 degrees with a 50% chance of rain.
Today's lunch options are chicken penne alfredo, corn dog, or egg chef salad with breadstick.
In the headlines, biologists rescue baby eagle that fell down the nest and down a cliff. Following last week's rescue mission, a baby eagle is now safely tucked up inside its nest on the cliffs of Catalina Island. The California-born baby eagle was accidentally kicked out of the nest by the adult eagle while sleeping. This baby, along with the others being raised on the island, are a part of a 40-year reintroduction program, and a rescue squad was soon called in to help it. The rescue squad safely saved the eagle and returned it to its nest.
Today in history, in 1967, the first all-British space satellite, Ariel 3, is launched from the United States.
Today's fun fact is porcupines can float.
What? How? How?
Now for the joke of the day. Hey Dexton, why are fish so smart?
I don't know why.
Because they live in schools.
That's all for today. Let's say our motto together. Doing your best is the key to success. I choose excellence. I'm Dexton.
And I'm Malia.
That's Larry, and that's Fiona. Till next time, fly high, Falcons. Bum, 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 bum.